Welcome back and thank you for watching. Not every project has to be big, so don't make a mountain out of a molehill. This is a short little project I did for my wife. As you can see, the old floor mat was pretty tore up and not in good shape. She bought herself a new Nightmare Before Christmas mat, but it did not get up where she wanted it to be, and it left where her toes would be dangling off the mat. So right quick in a hurry, I figured I would just cut the corners off of it so it would get up in there real nice and tight. What I did was I measured off 4 inches off of each side on the top corners because we have a corner sink, and then I used my speed square to mark my 4-inch line so I would have a line to cut the corners off at 45-degree angles, make it fit in deeper into that caddy corner sink area. I have a paper cutter, but I would not suggest if you have one to use it. It actually turned out to be easier to use my scissors to cut the corners off. Just make sure your scissors are sharp because this is a very thick foam pad if you decide to do a project such as this. Now that the corners were cut off, next thing to do was put it down to see how well it fit into place. Just like that, this project is finished.
Please like and subscribe.